Remember to join us for Sunday Night Lime at 8 p.m. right after the uploads.
I hope you're out already. Cause him reach and him enter the premises now.
Him answer?
No, I not get nothing from him.
Whisper no way, Manu. No worry about it.
The bus a move. He married. Subject on the move. Final location.
Copy that. Subject on the move.
Yo, this a serious thing, this is a brother. I'm more than a week. When they hear from me and I walk on. Remember say a piece of food to send up and the man them know, you know. Yo, get back to me ASAP, you know, brother. I must think say a joke thing. Link you already and tell you how serious this is, you know. I just disappear, brother. Get back to me. No. One. Them youth here. A brother here going like a pre-mom and pre-me, you know. Try no star. Yeah, man. And the way to the airport to pick up some people from my stepdad there. Yo, I even now no medicine, brother. Yo, the man no say a piece of food to send on and the man just disappear. And him don't know magic. So I can't bother with them people more time, you know, man. I'm gonna tell him how important it is, you know. Cha-cha. Night time then the man understand himself, brother. You don't even know. How are this, father? How are this now? That cross is in.
Right, sir.
Yes, officer.
License registration, please.
What is the meaning of this, officer?
Well, as you can see, I'm part of a special unit and we're conducting a vehicle search based on information that we have. So, license and registration, come on.
John Star. Oh boy, mate, it's not one thing, it's the other. Nice, man.
Right, you want to step out of the van for me, please?
So, all of my papers them up to date.
Let's not make this difficult. You see, when you see this, it means something is wrong. Now it suggests that you step out of the vehicle.
Walk with her wrong.
That comedian. Pray I don't find anything in there or you'll be having your comedy special behind bars.
So what you gonna say now? You gonna search my vehicle? That legal? Officer?
You realize what this say? Special police.
Special? You know about special cream and special people, and the special people them normally handicapped.
A comedian again. Anyways, follow me around this side.
Go on, sir. Go on, go on.
You have a permit for this? Is this a part of your comedy act? Alright, Dave Chappelle, we're going to have a whole heap to talk about.